would have thought that you'd be able to get a textbook that's talking to you, explaining itself to you in the comfort of your own home? Future presents the Talking Textbook, complete grade 10 to 12 mathematics and mathematical literacy textbooks, audio-visually enhanced. What does that mean? What exactly is a talking textbook? Well, let me show you. In a typical textbook, you'll start by taking the book to the first page, going to the first page, paging to page 1. And you'll get your index and you'll see calculus, circle geometry, financial mathematics, functions and relations, linear programming, the whole range. Choose one. Then you'll get all the chapters relating to that topic. What is calculus? Average gradient, gradient in a point, rules of differentiation. When you click on one of them, you'll be taken through to a traditional, familiar environment, the textbook. However, in every textbook, you get these moments where you read through the theory and the concepts and you just don't know what it is that they're saying. It's those typical, moments. You don't know what they're trying to say. In the talking textbook, we have identified them for you. You'll see it there. Is this all there is to it? Please explain to me what exactly is happening here, and you'll click there and the audiovisual memorandum would appear on the screen. And you'd then be able to listen and view the complete solution to that question. However, in a typical textbook, you'll also get to stages where you've got examples. Obviously, you'd expect them to be there. You'd expect an example or 2 or 3 to be in every chapter. They need to explain the concepts and the techniques to you. Those techniques that you need to master needs to be explained by the examples. However, what happens if you look at an example, you work through the example, but inside that example, a technique is used that doesn't form part of the chapter that you're busy with? What do you do then? You'll be stuck, unless you've got the talking textbook, because you simply click on the catchphrase to be taken through to the audiovisual example. Isn't that convenient? So then you've got the example explained to you, complete from A to Z. And you can hear all the techniques being used, explained, etc. for your benefit. And once you're done, you can just simply go back to the beginning, press the play button once more. If you need to see this in big size, you go big size, full screen. Once you're done, you go back and you carry on. Now at the end of every chapter, you'd expect to find exercises, and this is no different. You'll get the exercises there. However, before you attempt to do the exercises, you need to print them so that you can take your pen and paper and get busy doing it. That's very important. It's no use just looking at somebody else explaining it to you. You need to take these exercises and physically do them. So let's say, for instance, 5.1.2. You get stuck. You don't know what to do with that question there. You'll just simply go back and click on 5.1.2 and actually have the textbook explain to you exactly how to do question 5.1.2. Now, if that is not convenience, what is? So remember, future talking textbooks, it's the teacher that will never let you down.